Alright, let's begin by finding the value of e. Since e does not equal 0, we know that e must equal 1. We know this because the sum of any two two-digit numbers can never be greater than 200. Now we'll find the value of f. We know that f equals 0, and we can reach this conclusion in several ways. One way is by process of elimination. For example, we know that b can never equal 0, because if b equals 0, then d and g would have the same value. But the question tells us that each variable has a different value. For the same reason, we know that d cannot equal 0. We know that g cannot equal 0 because none of our answer choices is 0. A and c cannot equal 0 either. If either of these equals 0, then we would have a one-digit number plus a two-digit number equaling a number over 100. And this cannot happen if our two-digit number is less than 70. And our two-digit number must be less than 70 because we only have the numbers from 0 to 6 to work with. So since a, b, c, d, and g cannot equal 0, we know that f must equal 0. From here we know that b plus d must equal g. Well, there are only two possible cases that meet this criterion. Either b and d are equal to 2 and 3, and g equals 5, or b and d are equal to 2 and 4, in which case g equals 6. Let's check out the second scenario, b and d equaling to 4, and g equaling 6. If this were the case, then a and c would equal 3 and 5, and notice here our sum does not equal 106. So b and d cannot equal 2 and 4. So let's check out our second case, b and d equaling 2 and 3. If this were the case, then g equals 5, and a and c will equal 4 and 6. Notice here that our sum is 105, so these must be the correct answers. So g, in fact, in this case, equals 5. So our answer is D.